Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Citibank app. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go and download the Citibank app through Play Store or App Store, depending on whatever you have, if you have Android or iPhone. And of course, as you can see, you can go in any browser and type Citibank app. You'll find the first link as example this. And this, if you click on download on App Store, or download on Play Store, they will take you exactly to where you can download. This is an example. This is how it looks like, the icon, so you don't get confused. This is in the App Store and it's loading for some reason, but it will show you there in the Play Store as well. So, as an example, here is in the Play Store as well. As you can see, the same basically app. So once you download it, all you need to do as an example, so Citibank interface to show you like the interface, how does it look like. So all you need to do, just go and click on login. As you can see, like that's all you need to do. Just click on sign in with the user ID. You can even sign in with Touch ID or create or register for an account if you don't have an account yet. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply sign in with these two options first. And if you don't have an account, as we said, you can go and create an account with the third option. And that's basically how you set up a Citibank account or application. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.